guys, so today going ako guys. Just kidding.
Ito man na So guys, Mabri is going to
Jump out.
so we're gonna go now. We're leaving.
Okay, we're leaving now guys.
We're leaving now guys.
We're leaving now.
Okay,
We're not
bye.
leaving the hotel, we're leaving the beach.
Yes.
The beach.
Yeah, we're done here. Okay, bye.
Don't stop it, please. Don't stop it.
Sige, go.
Dala ng mga pagkaon.
We're gonna get into the elevator. Stop.
Sige, go. Go.
This is the signal for stop, huh?
Why?
Not the red one, huh? The like that.
Yeah.
The red one.
So guys, we're gonna tour you in J Park, guys. This the
Hindi kong siya baka biglang babagsak.
patay da. Sabi na ko ingon kag.
Hindi, okay lang. Oh, dito.
Hold Lola.
May picture naman
Hold Lola.
ni Celine.
Hold Lola.
May picture naman kami ni Celine ng J Park.
You hold Lola kasi Lola is dizzy.
No, I'm not busy. I might fall.
In the swimming pool.
Dito sila kay una na mo.
Ha? Ay oo.
Una mo gamay ba pag
Ay oo.
sa
Oo.
elevator.
Nakababa ka ang CCTV na ba sa tubangan? Kita ka?
Pwede mo naman. Di mo naman tana.
Noon, dili mo sa
Ay,
ginaslam.
pwedeng magsabay. Marami tayo.
Doon na sa kuan.
Maraming makulong.
Baka mahuli tayo, Celine.
Noon, kung mahuli tayo, huli kam.
Ah, hindi.
Huli kam.
So this is my outfit, guys. So this top.
It's really dark in here.
I know.
So guys, it's really dark in here, guys. So dark.
So
Wala.
dark in here and
Because,
it's so dark.
Go na sila ma-break it.
Mahula tayo, Celine.
It's literally so dark. It's so dark here. Bye. Bye, guys. Okay, so they're now leaving. Bye. Bye, Tita Celine. See you tomorrow. Wow. Okay, so that's gonna be it for now. So, bye.